Hello everyone.
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Eric.
And I'm Malinsky.
Today we are on one of our favorite beaches in Cape Town. It's called Sunset Beach. Today we are typically going to be doing what locals do best in one of the hottest months in summer for Cape Town, which is February.
Sunset Beach is the neighboring beach to Glowworth Strand. It's one of our favorite beaches because not only do we get to lay out, which is amazing, especially during February in Cape Town, but we also get a bodyboard, which is one of our hobbies that we enjoy doing, and that's one of the activities that we're going to be doing today. And then later on we're also going to be doing a traditional South African braai.
Looking forward to that one.
Yeah. So come along guys, but before we get there, let's show you how we got here.
Hey guys, we're just checking in. We are currently doing the snacks on the beach situation.
I'm having the best day.
Very, very relaxed, very chilled.
I'm having the best day. The day's been really nice. We made a friend with one of our neighbor's dogs that was lying out on the beach as well. He's so cute. But other than that, laying out, chilling out, snacking.
Just taking in the sun.
Beautiful day here in Cape Town. It's showing off. Yeah?
Absolutely is.
And so what we're going to do is, like, in a little bit we'll probably like pack up and go and change to hit some waves.
Yeah, we'll see you guys a bit later.
Hey guys.
Hey guys, it's that time of the day. The tide has come in, the sun is much lower in the sky.
Yeah.
And that can only mean one thing, it's time for us to hit those waves. So we're going to go
change,
put our wetsuits on, grab our boards and
hit the waves.
Hit the waves.
We'll see you there. Soon. That was an amazing wave sesh.
Seas was a bit rough, but it was worth it.
Yeah. And now guys, we are on our way to go get some wood for the braai. So yeah, we'll see you at the shop.
The great thing about braaiing, of course, South African pastime, especially during load shedding, you can just pop your meat on the grill and you sort it for supper.
We're about to light the fire, and this is normally one of the traditional things that we would do after spending the day on the beach. I don't know, there's something about the vibe in February in Cape Town. It's kind of festive, like mini festives that we would have on the weekend, where the entire day is like beach day, chill vibes, hang out. We're about to pour some rosé, light the fire, have a braai, and just enjoy.
Yeah, I mean, even the Cape Town wind is relaxed today. It's, it's insane. Yeah, we're going to have a braai now. Today was indeed very relaxed. It's even in February. Alinsky's playing with our dog as well, but even
Sorry for the
even in February, even the wind is quiet. For Cape Town, that is saying something. So yeah, we're just gonna get this braai going.
And light the fire.
Light the fire. Load shedding also helps a lot of South Africans increase their braai game, so this is gonna be fun. And we'll chat to you guys a bit later.
Hey guys.
Hello.
So we are excited to tuck in. As you'd have seen, there's a variety of color on our plates.
Quite the spread.
I'm going to start with the sausage.
All right. While you do that, let me cut a piece of lamb chop here.
Okay.
Like it? It's good.
It's amazing. So what we got was the Dania sausage. Better known as coriander sausage. And it's got a bit of a bite to it. So
I can't wait for that one.
really good. How's the...
I'm sitting here and I'm like in lamb chop heaven. No, it's very good, guys. Very good.
So yeah, guys, I think that's... we're going to call it a day. This is not a usual vlog for us. We hope that you guys enjoyed spending the day with us.
One of our day in the lives.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, everybody, for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Our goal for the next 6 months is to reach 500 subscribers. Yes, indeed. So if you'd be so kind as to hit that subscribe button, that'll also help us a lot. But until we see each other again
In the next video.
I hope you have a lovely week.
Next on Alinsky and Eric Travels.